Hello crafters, welcome to Created Only G and today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a winter version of my candle rings. Now you've seen my Christmas one for Christmas 2020. That one went up a couple of weeks ago. So now I have the Rattan Wreath form in grey. So I'm going to be doing my winter one. So I'm going to be using lots of whites and snowy things and that type of thing. Most of these picks I've got, I've dissected. I've got them through the years. I've got them from Poundland. I've got them from arrangements that you can buy cheaply in the sale. And then what I do is I just dissect them. But if you're wanting to remake this type of thing, then just have a look to see the items that I'm using, and then you can, see if you can find similar things in your area. So I'm going to add some ivy to my winter candle ring or wreath, whatever you want to call them. And I'm also going to be using some of these kind of white snowy picks. Now I can link these for you because I've got these on eBay for Christmas just gone of 2019. So I'm going to hot glue some of these in. I hope you don't mind me bringing these to you crafters, because the whole point of my channel is I bring you content that I'm making. I'm not someone who likes to go and purchase things just so I have a video, and for 2020 you'll only get a video when I need to create something. Obviously I'm still going to aim for regular content, but I'm not going to be creating a video just for video purposes. And as I've said, crafters, with all these candle rings, it's all about layering and giving the eye somewhere to travel. Going to be using some berries as well, crafters, and I've got some of this ivy that is snow tipped. So I'm going to dissect that and use some of the snowy foliage in here as well. Like I've said in previous versions of these wreaths, crafters, if you do use something that has open weave like this, you have to be careful because the hot glue will seep through and can burn. So please be careful. I have some of this, and like I said, this particular pick was from a flower arrangement that I bought, and it was in the sale. Okay crafters, then I've got some of these snowdrops, and don't really want to use, I'm not going to use all of these obviously. It's time for another pick and some more foliage. This time, this is almost like lambsy. It's got like a velvet touch. Again, this is brought from a flower arrangement, and I just dissect it and keep the flowers. you can get some really good deals on flower arrangements at the end of the season, and sometimes I just use them for the foliage. I'm going to cut the leaves off, because what I do with these leaves, I put them over areas where hot glue can be seen, so it kind of masks it. That makes sense. I'll give you an example in a second. Okay, so see, for example, here I've got globs of glue. So what I would do is I'll grab hold of a leaf, put some hot glue on the back, and then I would cover the hot glue splotches. It gives it a nice finished look, and it also fills in at the same time. Okay, crafters, very happy with that. Thank you very much for joining me with another one of these candle rings, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.